Hi, my name is Fausto Zarzuela. Welcome to Churrascos. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare gambas al ajillo. First, we're going to do the ajillo sauce. We're going to use a medium-high heat. Tablespoon fresh olive oil, fresh garlic, crushed red pepper. Once the garlic is sauteed, you're going to put some butter, some tomatoes, white wine, salt and pepper, and let it reduce for a few minutes. And that's going to be your gambas al ajillo sauce. I'm going to put this on the side. Next, we're going to do the shrimp. Put some salt, some crushed pepper, medium-high heat, olive oil. Once the pan is hot, you want to cook the shrimp. You want to cook it halfway so the sauce will cook into the shrimp, and that's how you're going to get the flavor. And then you can put about a tablespoon of unsalted butter, teaspoon fresh garlic, and a little bit of white wine. Then you want to add your sauce. Then the way we do it at Churrasco, we serve it with jasmine rice, zucchini and tomatoes, and then as garnish we use green onions. This is Churrasco's Gambas al Ajillo.